Abdurrahman again.
Hazur, could you kindly explain to us Amale Saleh?
Amale Saleh, if you could kindly explain what is Amale Saleh.
Amale Saleh is a word which applies slightly differently in different contexts. The Amale Saleh are a person who is just beginning to tread the path of taqwa. It refers to very small things of Amale Saleh, like lifting of a thorn from the street. That becomes his Amale Saleh. He doesn't want to hurt others, and this is a part of Iman for him. But the person whose Amale Saleh is highly rated in the sight of Allah can be a prophet of Allah. They are Salihin in the sight of Allah. Their Amale Saleh is a very highly, I should say, it should be defined in the context of their own goodness. When they become extremely good in the sight of Allah, then to improve upon that goodness and doing something which positively shows that they have risen higher, that becomes their Amale Saleh. The ordinary conduct of such people is all Amale Saleh according to the people who look up at them from below. But in the sight of Allah, who looks down upon the world, their Amale Saleh is the one which makes a new peak in the great heights of their conduct and character. So this is why the Amale Saleh is a word which has to be defined in the context in which it is used. Right?